Good morning. All right, it is Labor Day weekend, long weekend, and we are heading out to Dundas Peak. And we're also going to take a stop at Webster Falls in Hamilton, Ontario. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for post notifications.
Make sure you get all of our updates.
So most of you probably know about Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada, but what you might not know is that the Niagara-Hamilton region is actually known for waterfalls in general in this area. So apart from Niagara Falls, there is other waterfalls. They're not as big or fancy or insert other adjective.
Waterfally.
But they're still pretty cool to see. If you haven't seen our Niagara video, check the tag above. Otherwise, stay tuned for other waterfalls of Ontario, Canada.
We have arrived at Christie Lake. So the parking lot apparently is really small, and they imposed this new thing where you park at Christie Lake, which is $20 to get in for 2 people, $15 per vehicle, $5 per additional person, and they'll take you board a shuttle bus to take you there. The shuttle bus is free, so basically 20 bucks for the day to go visit Dundas Peak and Webster Falls. Webster Falls.
We're gonna go see it. We're gonna go right here. Alright, we just got off the bus. Turns out that this new rule is implemented on all weekends, and even sometimes during the weekday if there's too much traffic. So you basically have to go to Christie Lake Conservation Area and park there and get onto a shuttle to bring you back to the peak. So this particular stop is the stop for Tews Falls and Dundas Peak. This is the smaller of the waterfalls. And then the hike actually up the peak is about half an hour.
Alright, we're on a not so good lookout here on the escarpment, because the good one, holy crap, is just full of people.
So when you get up to Dundas Peak, there's a main lookout area. There's a lot more cleared space. You can go and kind of see from different angles. But then along the sides, there's these smaller lookout points. This one's kind of blocked by trees, not a big deal, but there's one further down that's quite open, and if you catch it at the right time, there might be nobody there.
Yeah, but thank God we brought the drone, so take a look. Okay, we found a pretty well canopied area because lo and behold, it started to rain. And Tia, what were you saying about the umbrella?
It's in the car.
So like good hikers, we were not too well prepared, but at least we brought water.
Live life with a view. Don't forget your water. Cheers.
Okay, Webster's Falls is not just about a waterfall. It actually sits on the edge of an ancient sawmill that was once a thriving industry back when a lot of sawmills were powered by the movement of water. So in the back you can see some remains of the sawmill, like this little wall here. All around us there's little pieces of the remains left behind. It's really cute.
Andy, what do you think?
Magnifico!